This will be a review and demonstration of this UV LED nail lamp for gel nail polish. This does include three different time settings, including 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. It does include a touch screen and it is automatic, so it will sense when the hand is going into the light and when it leaves. This nail lamp will come with the power cord, the nail lamp itself, and also some really detailed and helpful instructions. I really appreciate the sleek and modern design, not only of the power cord, but the lamp itself. This was also packaged really nicely in some wrap, and the sticker over the top covers the screen so that there are no scratches or smudges upon arrival. As I mentioned, there are three settings for this item: 30, 60, and 120. The top is also removable from the bottom in the case that you would like to clean this. It's really easy to snap back on if you need to reassemble the nail lamp. The power cord port is located on the back of the nail lamp. The screen and lamp will immediately turn on once it's plugged in. I just put some fresh gel nail polish on. It's going to be my top coat. And as you can see, the light knew exactly when my hand entered the lamp, and when I remove my hand, it will turn off. This really did a great job of hardening my nails. They're super durable, and overall, I love this lamp.